to subscribe.
Chris wants recognition. One active afternoon, the heavy-duty vehicles are working hard.
Good job, Poco.
Guys, should we call it a day?
Yeah, that should be fine.
Good job, everyone.
We're all dusty now.
I must have worked the hardest, seeing how I look the messiest.
What are you talking about? Can't you see all the dust piled up here?
We all worked hard. Let's go wash up now.
That felt refreshing.
It feels especially good to have a wash after a day of hard work.
You are right.
What's up, Chris?
Is something wrong?
I think the road is a bit weird. What is this?
It's a big pothole.
This must be dangerous. Should we fill this?
Okay.
That's nice and even.
Oh, that should be fine now.
Good job, Chris.
But you are a mess again, Chris.
Oh, well, I couldn't help it. I'll go for a wash again. I feel all proud that I did something good for others. Everyone must be thankful.
Ah! Ugh! Ew! What is this?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Ugh.
Hey, I just went for a wash. Watch it.
Oh.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Ew, it's so dirty.
Let's stay away from him.
Smell.
They are so mean. I was just working hard.
Thank you very much.
Isn't that fun?
I would have been so worried if it wasn't for you.
I'm glad there isn't anybody that got hurt.
Frank is always so great. You're right. He is the best.
Frank!
I was just doing my job.
Hello, Chris.
Hello, Tayo.
We are at the destination.
Thank you, Tayo. I wouldn't have made it on time if it wasn't for you.
Right. Thank you for giving me a ride every day.
You are most welcome, anytime at all.
Everyone loves them. Oh, they get all the recognition and appreciation for their work. And look at me.
The next day, the heavy-duty vehicles are gathered and working again.
Watch out! Chris, that was dangerous.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Chris, can you pour some cement over here, please?
Okay. I want to do something people love.
Chris!
Huh?
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm sorry.
You need to focus when you are working. Yeah.
Is there something bothering you, Chris?
Huh? Actually, I don't think anyone likes what we're doing.
What? What are you talking about, Chris?
We have such an awesome job.
Hey, guys.
Huh?
Can I help you?
I'm from the city hall.
Huh? The city hall? Maybe he's here to compliment us.
You know, it's about the noise from the construction site. We've got complaints about it.
What?
Huh?
And there are also complaints about all the dust spreading out. So please be careful about that.
I see. I didn't know.
All right, then. We'll watch it.
What? It wasn't anything like a compliment.
Yeah, I'll count on you guys. Oh, so dusty.
You've all heard him. Let's be careful.
Okay.
Why should we be the ones to be careful?
Because people were complaining?
We are working this hard and just getting nothing but complaints in return. I can't take it anymore.
Huh? Hey, Chris.
What's wrong with him?
I'll look for a job that people like. What will it be? Aha! That's it!
Tayo, the little bus.
I want to put a fire out like you
Chris
did.
tries to find a job other than construction.
What?
Huh?
You want to be a fire truck?
Yes. If I become a fire truck, I can help others, and I will get a lot of compliments as well.
But Chris,
Should we have a test then? Don't worry. I have a container of water as well.
I'm not sure that's a good idea.
Huh? Consider that barrel as a fire and spout water at it. Not a problem.
Oh,
Chris, you can't put out fire with a water stream like that. Oh, I could do better.
Chris decides to try delivery.
Okay.
Huh? Speed means everything for deliveries. You have to make sure to deliver things in a timely manner.
Don't you worry about that. I can be very fast. You'll see.
Oh, there's a customer waiting right there. Over here!
All right. I'll do a great job this time.
Hello!
Hello.
Your delivery's here.
Oh, you work for delivery as well?
Yep, I'll get your package right away.
Huh? What is this? It's all smashed!
I'm so sorry.
Chris, you can't be a police car if you are that big.
I don't think passengers can ride in your container.
You want to be a helicopter? But you can't fly, Chris.
Oh no. In the end, Chris isn't able to find a new job.
Oh, I miss my friends. They must be done with work already. Oh? Are they still working this late? What are they still doing?
Now we just need cement poured in here and we'll be done.
What should we do without Chris?
Not to worry. I could do that.
Huh?
Watch.
Whoa!
Ah!
Whoa! What should we do now?
What do we do?
They're all in trouble because I'm not there.
No, nobody will appreciate the job, even if we work hard. I want to have a cool job. Huh? This place? Huh?
Chris, give me some cement here.
Okay. Everyone, stay focused. I feel a bit nervous since it's our first construction, don't you?
You're right. We better not make any mistakes.
Imagine how proud we'll feel when this house is finished.
Right. It'll be awesome. It was the first house I built with my friends. Oh,
Let's go out for a delicious dinner.
Okay.
oh.
Chris? Chris, is it you? How have you been?
Oh, yeah, I've been good.
You should come and say hi.
Hello there.
Oh, hi.
This is Chris. He built our house very nicely.
Wow, our house?
Yes, he did.
Wow, you are great, Chris.
Thanks.
Chris, it's great to see you. We've always wanted to say thank you to you.
Thank me for what?
Thanks to all of you for building us a nice house. We are all living happy lives here.
Thanks to us?
Yes, you've built a house where our family can live, and we've got a pretty little girl like her here.
Thank you, Chris.
Wow. My work can make someone happy as well?
Chris finally realizes the preciousness of his work.
I started to get worried.
We should get the work done as soon as possible.
What's Chris doing right now?
Chris?
Why are you all so late? We can't finish this building on time like this.
What? I wonder who ditched the work and left.
What? What are you talking about? I wouldn't leave such an awesome job.
Chris, you...
Shall we now finish what's left?
All right.
It is good to see Chris back. Chris and the friends are cool, heavy-duty vehicles that make others happy. Pocos Flower. One sunny day, someone's giggling happily.
Thank you, Mom.
You can take care of it on your own, right?
Of course. Here we are. Mommy! Hello. Guess what this is? Ooh, what is that? These are flower seeds. If you plant one and water it, it'll grow to be a pretty flower. Oh, I love pretty flowers. Do you want to see what flower seeds look like? Oh, oh no! Oh, my flower seeds!
Oh no, you should have been more careful.
Poco!
What? Oh, it's Lanny.
I'm sorry, but could you help us for a moment?
What is it? There. Now you can pick that up.
All right. There you go.
Wow! I knew Poco could do it!
It was nothing.
Thank you for helping me. And this
Huh? What's this?
is my present for you.
That's nice.
Poco, what are you doing here? Let's go to work.
Oh, okay. I'll see you later.
Okay, see you.
Guys,
Hey, you're here!
Now that everyone's here, let's get to work.
okay.
What was that little gift anyway? Uh-oh. Where'd it go? I thought I dropped it right here.
Poco, can you come and take a look here?
Okay, I'll be right there. It's too small to find. Nothing I can do now. Oop, yep.
All right.
Another one. Yep.
Oh, it's raining!
Let's go back. Guess we have to call it a day.
Okay.
Can't work in the rain.
Get out of here.
Oh, why'd it have to rain now?
Poco!
Oh, it's you again.
Did you plant the flower seed nicely that I gave you?
Flower seed? So the present was a flower seed?
You should show it to me when it grows to be a pretty flower.
Okay, I gotta go. Bye.
Bye-bye.
She'll be really disappointed when she finds out I lost it. I'll look for it when I'm at the construction site. It must be around here somewhere. Did the seed from yesterday sprout? Wow, it sprouted. It's so amazing.
Poco!
What are you doing there?
Oh, it's nothing. Wow, it grew all by itself. Could it be because of the rain yesterday?
Poco, I think we're almost done.
Then I'll water it myself today.
Oh! Poco, what are you doing?
I'm sorry. Gosh, I keep thinking about it so I can't concentrate on my work.
Guys, should we take a little break?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's get some rest.
Oh, what's wrong with your face?
That's,
Whoa.
what the?
Where's he going like that?
Careful, careful. There. I watered it so it'll grow bigger and bigger. Grow, sprout, grow, sprout. I've got a good idea. I'm gonna give you a name. How about Sprouty? Huh? You must like the name too. Now grow into a beautiful flower.
Oh.
Hey, who's Poco talking to over there?
I don't know. He seems a bit weird since before.
Good morning, Sprouty.
From that day on, Poco takes great care of the sprout.
You've grown even bigger today.
He fertilizes the soil and waters it every day. And eventually,
Wow.
a flower bud appears.
Da 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 da. I'm an excavator. I know I can grow anything at all.
Poco! Hello!
Oh, hi there.
You seem to be in a good mood. What's going on today?
Well, I'm having so much fun growing my Sprouty lately.
Sprouty?
Yes. Remember the flower seed you gave me? It sprouted so well, so I gave it the name Sprouty.
That's a cute name.
Yes, it is. It already has a flower bud, too. I'll show you once the flower blooms.
Really? Promise?
Of course I promise.
Tayo, the little bus.
The next day, a strong rainstorm washes the city.
Let's hurry and get back home.
The wind is too strong. Sprouty must be in danger. Don't worry. I'll protect you. So cold. Achoo! It's morning already? My whole body feels stiff from the rain. Huh? Wow! It bloomed! It bloomed! It bloomed! Oh! Wait, I shouldn't be standing here like this. I have to go let them know.
Oh, Poco, where are you going?
I'll be right back.
What? The flower bloomed?
It did. It bloomed into a beautiful flower this morning.
It must be pretty. Poco, can we go see the flower then?
Of course. I promised I'd show you guys once it blossomed.
Yoo-hoo! And I'll go with Lonnie this weekend.
Anytime. My Sprouty, I knew you would grow to be beautiful. Whoa, Billy!
Oh, no! You scared me. What are you doing, Poco? That was dangerous.
Huh? What do you think's wrong?
You almost ran over Sprouty!
Huh? Sprouty?
Are you talking about that flower?
Poco, you've even given the flower a name?
Do something right for your age. You've been growing a flower?
Don't laugh. Sprouty's my precious friend that I've been carefully growing.
Poco, I understand how you're feeling, but we have to level this place and pour cement over here to finish work.
Pour cement? You can't do that.
But we have to finish construction.
Then give me some time. I'll try to find a place to replant Sprouty.
Okay, but you better be quick. We'll have to finish by the weekend.
Okay, got it.
Poco looks around to find the perfect place to replant the flower.
I shouldn't move Sprouty here. Flower will wilt here with that smoke. Where should I move Sprouty to?
Poco!
Lonnie,
I was thinking about visiting you. What are you doing here?
actually, I can't keep Sprouty at the construction site anymore, so I'm looking for a place to replant it.
Really?
But I can't find the right spot yet. I have to move it right away.
I see. Oh? Then you can plant it at the garage garden.
Really? I can do that?
Of course.
Woohoo! That's a relief. You saved my day. Thank you so much, Lanny.
You're welcome.
Huh? What's this?
What's wrong, Poco?
This is where the flower was, and now it's covered with cement.
And this is for you.
Did the seed from yesterday sprout? Wow! A Sprouty!
Hey, Poco! Did you just come back?
You! How could you do this? You told me you'd wait!
Actually...
That's enough! I'm so disappointed! I will not talk to you anymore!
Oh, no! Oh!
My poor Sprouty!
Poco! Here you are. I've been looking for you.
Lanny, I'm sorry about earlier leaving you like that.
It's fine. By the way. Hello, Poco.
Huh?
What's wrong, Poco?
I'm sorry, but I don't think I can keep my promise with you. I can't show you the flower.
What are you talking about? Your flower is so beautiful.
What? What happened?
The other construction cars flower.
I see. I didn't know that. I'm sorry about getting mad.
It's okay. Sorry for making fun of you.
But I think the garden is a bit too big for Sprouty to be alone. Should we plant more flowers here? Wow,
Yes.
that's a great idea.
Do you think you guys want to give it a try?
Us? Shall we?
Then I'll give each of you a flower seed as a present.
That's great.
Poco is very grateful to his friends for making the flower garden, and Sprouty loves the new home as well.